Hello guys! So you want to know about how to make video AI? In this vlog, I'm going to share some valuable, and here you go. Today, I will tell you step by step how to make an AI video. First, log in 11 Lab, click Try Free and text the sentence. Second, copy, paste the sentence and open ProWriting link, and then paste the sentence and check the writing. Third, open 11 Lab again, and copy-paste the writing and choose voice type and click Generate. Fourth, open the link and then log in. Fifth, click Create Video and you can choose which AI character you want. After selecting a character, you can enter the voice that was created previously. And last, click Generate Video and finish. So those are the 5 steps to making an AI video, and that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new. Thanks for tuning in.